Hi everyone, this is Zan. If you have dry, damaged hair, I have 4 amazing hair care products to share with you to help you repair your hair, make it healthy again, shiny and soft. And this is not a sponsored video. These are products that I have purchased and have been using and noticed a huge improvement in the health of my hair. So I wanted to share them with you in case it could help someone else. I will list and link all of the products that I show and talk about down beneath this video in the description box, as well as in the first pinned comment in case you want to read more about a specific product. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you subscribe to my channel. It is free to subscribe. I have hundreds of beauty-related videos on pretty much every topic. If you want to search through my videos, all you have to do is click my channel name, Beauty by Anne-Marie, and then look for the search emblem. Click that and type in whatever keyword you want to search for, and any video I have with that keyword should pop up. I also have created a lot of playlists with videos relating to a certain topic, so you can scroll through my playlists as well. And I have so many videos to try to help you look your best and feel more confident. The first product that I want to talk about is a pre-shampoo oil treatment. And I started using this about 3 months ago. I have finished 1 bottle of it and already purchased my second bottle. This is by Lenore Grail, and this is a company out of Paris, France. This is a mixture of different organic oils, and how you use it is before you're going to shampoo, so either the night before or at least 30 minutes before you shampoo. I just take some of this oil, about a quarter-sized amount. I put it in the palm of my hand, rub my palms together, and then just apply it to my hair, especially on the ends of my hair where my hair is the driest. And if it is solid like it is here in Colorado, you just run it under some warm water to melt it down, and then you can apply it. And then after it sits in your hair for at least 30 minutes, or if you have time, leave it on overnight, then you just get into the shower and shampoo it out, and your hair will be so soft and manageable. And I think that this is the best hair oil that I've ever used, even better than my Monoi oil that I have loved for many, many years. This is even better than that. So I would highly recommend this as a pre-shampoo treatment. And it does just take 1 shampoo to get this oil out. You don't have to do multiple shampoos in order to remove the oil like you do with some other oils. So this is a great product, and I would highly recommend it. Again, it is organic oils, and it does a great job at softening the hair, moisturizing the hair, and just making it more manageable and healthier. I try to do the pre-shampoo oil treatment at least 3 times a week, and then the second product that I've been using to help repair my dry, damaged hair is an intensive moisturizing shampoo. And this one is by Carol's Daughter. It's the Cocoa Cream Intensive Moisture Shampoo. And this is the shampoo I use to shampoo out my pre-oil treatment, and anytime I shampoo I've been using this one. It really is hydrating on dry, damaged hair, and I just use 1 pump of it and then work it through my hair and rinse it out. And this is a sulfate-free shampoo and just very hydrating and moisturizing. All 4 of these products are color safe, so if you happen to color your hair like I do, they are safe for color treated hair. My third product that I like to use to repair my hair is a rinse out conditioner, and this one is by Clairon, which is a French hair care company with plant-based products. This is their mango butter rinse out conditioner, and if you watch my other videos, you probably heard me talk about this product before. I've been using this one for a long time, and it is by far my very favorite rinse out conditioner that I use after every shampoo. This is a deeply hydrating and moisturizing conditioner. I do have a few additional tips for repairing damaged hair that I'll share with you at the end of this video. But my fourth product is also by Clairon, and this is a deep conditioning hair mask. This is in their mango butter line as well, and I like to use this a couple times a week. I leave it on for about 5 minutes in the shower, and it just does a great job at deeply hydrating my dry damaged hair and improving the health of it. Besides using these 4 hair care products to improve the health of your hair, I do have a couple additional tips. One of them being to look for products like these that increase moisture and hydration in the hair. A lot of products say that they repair damage, but those contain proteins such as keratin, and too much protein in your hair will cause it to become brittle and actually break off. So just be aware when you're looking at products, you want to look for moisturizing and hydrating products, and really kind of limit how many products you use that have protein in them, because that can actually be more damaging than not. So look for those hydrating products like these that I showed you that have really helped my hair become more healthy. And another little tip I have for you is to be aware of what type of brush you're using and use one that reduces breakage. My very favorite brush is by Tangle Teezer, and I like the one with the handle. It's just easier to use. And this does a great job at reducing breakage of the hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've tried any of these products, please comment below and share your thoughts on them. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it.